Welcome back to this channel, guys. Today we're going to write a simple code that is finding the greatest of two numbers. So not wasting much time, let's create a new project and then look at how the code is written. I'm going to name my project program to find the greatest of two numbers. Okay, now let's open the source code. Wow. And then I'm going to clear all of this and then start from scratch. Okay, so I should include IOStream using namespace std its name. Okay, now because we want our program to be dynamic and be able to find the greatest of any two numbers, we'll be printing to the console for the user to enter the two values. So first we're going to create variables to store the values that the user is going to input. So first let's create variables for it. We are going to use the float data type. So float num1 and then float num2. And then we output to the console to accept the user input. So we say cout enter first number. We say cin num1. We also cout a message to the console to accept the second number. So cout enter second number. Then we accept the second input, so cin num2. Okay, so after we have to write an if statement to check which of the numbers is the greatest, and then print to the console. We're going to say that if num1 is greater than num2, what do we want to do? We want to print to the console that num1 is greater than num2, else we print to the console that num2 is the greatest. So we say that cout num1 is greatest. Else we say that else cout num2 is greatest. I nearly forgot my return 0, so let me add it. Return 0. Okay, now let's build and run our code to see if there are no errors. So we click on build and run. Okay, there are no errors. So let's give the input. So it's asking to enter the first number. So I'm going to enter 5. It is also asking for the second number. I'm going to enter 6. Now it's saying that num2 is greatest. Num2 is greatest. Now we can modify this code to print the value that is greatest instead of saying num2 is greatest. So let's go and modify the code so that the actual value, which is the greatest, is being printed onto the console after inputting the two values. So you can make some changes here and say that cout num1 is greatest, else cout num2 is greatest. Okay, now let's build and run and see. Okay, so enter first. Now I'm going to enter 10. I'm going to enter 2. So it is saying like 10 is greatest. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and then like it so that whenever I upload a new video you get a notification. Okay, it's bye for now. We meet another time to continue programming like a pro. Okay, bye bye, see you.